This is an emergency broadcast from the Federal Reich of America Ministry of Emergency Situations. A large-scale insurrection is occurring on the eastern seaboard and the Midwest. A group of terrorists known as the American Liberty Militia has started a series of insurrections against military and government buildings. The American Liberty Militia has claimed the independence of the former United States of America. This terrorist group is attempting to protect inferior races and sexual deviants. This goes against our racial purity laws. All persons must go home immediately. White people outside will be arrested and sent to forced labor camps. Inferior people will be gunned down. Anybody affiliated with the American Liberty Militia will be killed in the most horrible ways.
Attention! Attention! This is the American Liberty Militia. We have seized government offices and military installations across the eastern and midwestern United States. We have liberated multiple forced labor and concentration camps. Our country has faced an occupation that has ravaged our people. When our military fell to the Nazis, we refused to yield and we continue to fight for our freedom. Join us in our war of liberation. We have driven the Nazis out of several towns and cities. Join us in our revolution. Make the Nazis pay for their crimes against humanity. Make them pay for the lives they have taken. May the people who were taken from us give you the strength to fight. Seek out your oppressors and bring them to their knees. The bell of liberty will ring. Rise up. Fight back. The revolution is on. God bless you and the United States of America.